Hey there, savvy shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that saves you from wasting your hard-earned cash on junk. Today, we're diving into the wild world of drones. On my left, we have the VISNEE Newest Drone, and on my right, the VISNEE Drone. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be smoother than a drone with a stable altitude hold function. Let's get started. First up, the all-important question. How much moolah are you going to have to shell out? The VISNEE drone is priced at a cool $59. That's like a fancy dinner for two, or one really sad trip to the gas station these days. On the other hand, we've got the VISNEE drone coming in at $99. That's a bit steeper. More like a fancy dinner for two with a bottle of wine, or a trip to the gas station where you actually fill your tank. So if you're on a budget, the VISNEE might already be winning your heart. The VISNEE boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees manually adjustable 2K HD camera. You can take those HD selfies and aerial shots that'll make your Instagram followers green with envy. It's like having a personal paparazzi in the sky. But wait, the VISNEE drone also has a 1080p camera, and it can be adjusted remotely up to 90 degrees. Plus, it's got optical flow positioning for more stable shots. Basically, it's like having a drone that went to film school. Reviewers love the VISNEE for its price point and decent aerial photography, but wish it had better image stabilization. On the other hand, VISNEE's camera stability and ease of use make it a favorite for those looking for more professional shots. The VISNEE is beginner-friendly with one-button takeoff, landing, and 3 speed modes. Even your tech-averse grandma could fly this thing. It's like the training wheels of drones. VISNEE, though, takes it to another level with its smart app control, voice commands, and gesture selfies. You can literally tell it to take a selfie. It's like having a drone that's also your personal assistant. Just don't ask it to do your laundry. Reviews highlight VISNEE's ease of control and durability, making it a hit among beginners. Meanwhile, VISNEE's advanced features and user-friendly design make it a preferred choice for those who want a bit more tech-savvy functionality. The VISNEE drone is foldable and comes with a carrying case. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Compact, but packs a punch. The VISNEE drone, however, is so compact it can fit in your pocket or backpack, and it weighs under 250 grams, meaning no FAA registration. It's basically the James Bond of drones, stealthy and ready for action. Reviewers love the VISNEE for its portability and carrying case, while VISNEE's ultra-compact size and lightweight design make it a favorite for those who are always on the go. VISNEE gives you two 1,800 mAh batteries, totaling about 30 minutes of flight time. Enough to annoy your neighbors for a solid half hour. VISNEE also comes with 2 batteries, giving you 25 to 30 minutes of flight time. Plus, it has built-in overvoltage protection and a low battery warning. It's like the mom of drones, always looking out for you. Reviewers appreciate the VISNEE for its decent battery life, but wish it lasted longer. Meanwhile, VISNEE's additional safety features make it a reliable choice for extended flights. Overall, reviewers find the VISNEE Newest Drone to be a budget-friendly option with decent features for beginners, despite some issues with image stabilization and occasional technical problems. On the other hand, the VISNEE drone is praised for its advanced features, stability, and user-friendly design, making it a versatile and reliable choice for both beginners and more experienced users. So, there you have it. The VISNEE drone is your budget-friendly, beginner's best buddy, while the VISNEE drone is the versatile, pocket-sized powerhouse. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you. Do you want to save some bucks or splurge for some extra features? Drop a comment below on which drone you think is the winner. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our smart buys. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.